Okay, everyone, we are going to fix that volume. We're going to get started. So, we're going to first go into Canva, and this is where we're going to be. I hope this volume isn't too high for you. So, on the previous video on how to Canva background, I showed you pretty much how to, as well as explained how to go on and pick a template. After picking a template of your choice for whatever project you have, you would go on and either upload your images, edit your template to your liking, add additional pages if you needed to. So this is what we just got done doing, and that was this video right here. Now I want to show you, we're going to go on and create a new design. For the sake of this video, we're just going to go into social media. And as you see, here are the templates I was discussing. Just a few of them because there's so many more to choose from. But we're going to go in and I guess we can do a thumbnail. And this is just for tutorial purposes for Canva. And just to give you an idea. So as you see to the left of the screen, you have the templates. And you also have different varieties of style based on the colors, and depending on the colors that you choose, it will automatically regenerate different templates based off of those colors. I usually don't do that because I don't want to limit myself. You can also use 4 words to describe what you're doing. For us, I'm going to, let's see if we click in Merry Christmas, and let's see what pops up for a thumbnail. So we entered Merry Christmas, and our previous video for the tutorial was red, black, and white. So I want to continue with that theme. So we'll play with it. So we have this one, and if you pay for it, then you get Pro. So then you have the ability to choose other templates that you wouldn't normally get if you weren't receiving the program for free. So we have this Merry Christmas black one. I like this one with the sparkles, and I like that one with the tree right there. Let's go for the sparkles. So this is the template style, which pretty much means those are the colors of the template. So let's start with Merry Christmas. And if we would like to add some text, we can go in here. Now, we just came from Elements. If you're like me, I kind of forget and lose my path sometimes. Elements is where you go pick and choose what you would like to do with your formatting. We're going to go into text, and you can go into heading because we're going to start here. As you see at the top of the page of the template, there are the font sizes, the font colors. Excuse me, you guys, it's been a long day. But I'm determined to get through this video because I wanted to upload this for the Christmas holidays because it's a lot of good things people can do as gifts. So within the heading, we already have Merry Christmas. So let's just put Happy Holidays. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. We're going to change the font to white. We're going to go out and come back in. And let's change the color to white. I want to make the letters bigger. That's good. Change the font to Tuesday. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. You can also upload images as well, if we chose to do that. And we can also upload, you can either upload images if you choose, or as you see, you can upload files as well off of your computer screen. You can also use that as well and go wherever you would like to go to pull something up. Let's pull up Santa. I already have Santa down here, so I'm just gonna bring him over here. We're gonna slide him down here. I think that looks cute. Let's stretch Santa out. He had more of a head than that. And let's position Santa behind the words. Nope, we won't take him that far back. Let's go right there. And you just play with it. There we go. I think I'm gonna bring Santa down slightly. It's all about critiquing it to how you want it to be. Let's go outside and see how that will look. I don't like how that is right here. Move this up. Right there in between Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Oh, the holidays is covering Merry Christmas. That's covering Santa. What if we put it up here? And stretched out up here. Right there. Happy Holidays, Merry Christmas. What about a Christmas wreath? Oops. Go on the elements and then look up Christmas wreath. My bad. You could put a frame around Santa. What about a Christmas wreath flare frame? Let's try this one. Dang, I don't want it that far back. I wish you had picked the photo frame, and then when you put it over there, it's a lot easier. Bring my Santa back. Let's see. And then I'm gonna see what happens if I move this forward. I'm curious. Oops. And you can always click this up here to play with it. I'm gonna go to graphics. Oh, that's cute. I like that. Is that too much? Going on. Let's see how it would look if I were to put it for. I'm not gonna be able to put it over the whole screen because of the size, so I will adjust it. Here we go. You want to come. There's my cursor. I lost it for a minute. I missed everything. That's a lot of confetti going on over there, don't you think? You can't even see my Merry Christmas. I just noticed that. So let's bring that down there. On this one. Down there. Center. Center. No, that's the reef. Bring Santa down some. I made it smaller. Let's go there. And I want to bring Merry Christmas smaller. Down to right there. There we go. And let's bring this down. What if I took it off? But I want a border. Let's do a border. Let's try a border. What does the border look like? Change the color. Heart's telling me red. I don't like that one. Burgundy's cute. It's like a burgundy red. I think that one looks better. What about green? Yuck. Nope. That's a better look, I think. Kinda, sorta. Let's go into here. Let's see. Go outside of here and just see how it looks. That's cute. And I think I'm going to do a border around the outside of this picture. I like borders, you guys. I can't help myself. I don't know, it's just something about them. I feel like they bring the picture out so much more. They do a green. Yeah, that looks ugly. Oh, I don't know what white would look like. No. Green? Maybe I won't do a border. My reef back. So I'm not gonna do a border, I don't think. So as you see, never be scared. You're just pretty much playing with it. I'm not gonna let this video be too long. I already got in trouble from YouTube already. They seem like they're kind of strict. Wait. What about this one? This would be super cute for the outside. Pow! Look at that. That goes cute around my little reef. Get over there. I'm using a laptop. I don't have a cursor, so like, pressing. So there we go. There we go. That's cute. Merry Christmas, thumbnail. Oh, I know some more text we could put from Tiffany Nicole. And I want to change the font for this. Let's go out, go in, change the font, cursive. Let's go over here. I like Playwright Modern. This one traditional looks so crappy, but I like this one. Apricots is really cool too. This is super tiny and icky. Beth Allen. What do you guys think? Ooh, my voice. From Tiffany Nicole. From Tiffany Nicole. I think I'm gonna go with this one because it looks like a standard size Post-it. Yeah. Stretch it out, see. That's cool. Okay, so let's go in and save it. File, save. So it's going to be in the list of my projects. I can also share it. But I'm going to stop right there. And that is how you make a thumbnail. So as you see, now that I screen record, I walked you through the first process, which is the same process, but I walked you through so you're able to have a visual because we all learn differently. Then at the end, I also wrote you those steps. And then in this exercise, I showed you the thumbnail, as well as we picked the template together. We chose what type of template we were going to use together. We went on and edited everything. We uploaded an image. We added frames. And we also added some different elements into it. We played with the color wheel. We changed some colors. We enlarged the fonts, as well as we changed not only the font size, but the type of fonts. So I hope that was helpful for those of you who are trying to understand the process of the thumbnails on Canva and uploading backgrounds. And happy holidays to you and your family. And this is one of many. It's so many different things you can do on here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed sharing. Have a great evening.